my shirt down and pull my transfer back. And you guys are going to be amazed. Hopefully you'll like it as much as I do. I always get excited every time. Look at this. Look at this. Now I'll wash that in the sink with water, just cool water. And actually I use a board eraser, but it's basically a special sponge that we have. You don't have to have that, but look at that, guys. Is that not adorable? Look at that. Look at our little guy. Now, I have been using this lately. I don't know if you've seen this. I used it yesterday on my Christmas tree, and I've used it on a project I did last week with the naughty, Santa Defined Naughty. But I'll probably take my white puff paint, and I'm going to go in and do the little in between. You don't have to. I just like to do a little extra, but I'm going to give him a little bit of icing on him. So I will use my